Welcome to episode 7 of our series on Industrial Edge for machine tools. In the previous episodes, we looked at how to monitor production process. Today, we are going to look at Analyze My Machine condition application that makes it much easier for you to monitor your machine status. The special thing about this application is that it's a hybrid app. That means it runs locally on your edge device right at the machine and also in MindSphere. Using MindSphere, I can access the machine status from anywhere, and I can identify the wear on the machine at an early stage. The app has calculated individual parameters for each machine, and you can predefine specific limits for each case. To generate the data, you can use a measurement run as part of your regular machine maintenance procedure. In our example, limits had been reached and the light turns into orange. I think I have to call the service. Hello, Mr. Edge. Analyze My Machine is showing an alarm on my machine. Yeah, I've just looked at the data of your machine in MindSphere, and I already have an idea of what went wrong. I'm on the way. That means you can avoid more serious problems on your machine tool system and the unnecessary downtime they cause.